Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and this is an amazing Amazon clone which I have created, and it's working properly. I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in it. So if you want to learn that how I created this Amazon clone, just follow along the video series. Just click on this back to top, and clicking on it, it's working properly. So if you guys want to create an Amazon clone like this, just follow me. How I write this code, everything is working. It's such a nice website which I have created. This is just a project. So in this video we are going to create a header of the site. Let's get started.
So I have created two files here, index.html, style.css, and the file is here. This is our project. I don't know how this is here. This is our project which we are going to create. So let's get started. Write the code there.
Now create a header and create our div with class name first and a href. Logo. Use the logo here, Ctrl C. And now create another div. Okay. Create another div with name map and also a class with flex. Now add a font awesome icon here, class map marker. Okay. Then create another div, create a span, deliver to, and another span for India. Okay. Now Control save, Control R for refresh, and here it is. Icon is not here because we didn't edit font awesome CDN, so just copy and paste it. I will give you the link in the description from where you can copy and paste the link. Okay, so now it's linked here. Control R. Here's the marker. Okay. Now create a div with class name flex and another class input. And now create another div there. Write span tag. Write all in it. Okay. Now create another icon. Oh, create another icon. Class. Give it a class. Okay. Now create an input tag. Now again an icon. Class. Okay. Control save, Control R. So here it is. So we have write HTML code for these all things. These. Now we are going to write HTML code for this and create div with name class flex and another class right. Create div with flex again and add class language line. Add image. I will give you the link in the description, so don't worry. Okay, just copy and paste, Control V, and add an icon with class name. Okay, now create another div with class name sign because we are going to sign in. So this is our sign in section. Create a span. I will show you a span and write there hello sign in. Okay, and now after the hello sign in, create another div with class name flex. Create a class AC and in it create another span and write there account and let's account and list. Okay. After writing accounts and list, create an icon as usual. Just give a class name. Okay. And now we have created this. After this, create another div with flags. This div is for cart. So class name is cart here, and an icon. Class is shopping cart. Okay. Now create another span tag here, span, and give it a class name CA class. Write cart in it, cart. Okay. Now create a p tag and write there 0. Okay. Control save. The mistake which I have made, then div, another div. Create here a div with class name flags, and this is for logo. So add your class logo, and just Control X and write it here. Enter. Oh, what's happening with it? Just after this, Control V, and this one div, which is of this class first, just crop it, means cut it and paste it here. Wait. Control V. Okay. Control save. Shift Alt F for proper code. Okay. Now this for class first class div is ending here. Okay. Let's just check it out here. Control R, and here is the flag and everything. So this is just HTML, and now we are going to design it, and let's design it first. Link this. Come on, link it here. Link the CSS file. So it's style.css, and right here, right, Amazon.com. Control save. Control R. Now we are going to design it. So just back to the CSS. Some universal code of CSS. Margin 0. Padding 0. Text decoration none. And box sizing border box. List style none. Okay. Now focus on body. Width 100%. Background color. Okay. And box sizing border box. Now focusing on first class dot first, and width 100%. Height 70 pixels. Background color 131A22. Okay. And display flags. Align item center. And flag styles and column. Control save. Control R. So here's our first class. Now forgetting the image. Width 130 pixel. Margin left. Margin 0, 10 pixels. Padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Border 1 pixel solid transparent. Okay. And border radius 3 pixel. Border radius 3 pixel. Control save. Control R. So it is the logo and the codes. Now write code for first class again. First, display flags. Display flags. And flags direction row. Flags direction row. Justify content. Space between. Okay. Now flags. Display flags. Justify content center. Okay. Now focus on flags, span, and also on I tag. Okay. Now color is white. Color white. Okay. Control save. Control R. And this. Now they are taking their shapes. So work on the CSS. Now focus on logo. Logo flex 0.18. Margin right 10 pixel. Justify content. Space between. Okay. Now dot map. Wait, let's check this out how it is working. Okay. So now dot map border 1 pixel solid transparent. You will get to know why I'm giving it a border of 1 pixel solid but transparent. 3 pixel. Okay. Now focus on dot map I tag and right here margin top 17 pixels and padding left 5 pixel. Font size 17 pixels. Okay. Control save. Control R. Now dot map div, focusing on div in class map. Okay. Padding 5 pixels. Okay. Display flex. Cursor pointer and flex direction column. Okay. Now map div scan and first child. Font weight 40, 400, 400 and font size 13 pixels. Font size 13 pixels. Okay. Now dot map div span font width bold. Control save. Control R. And here's not looking same as this, but it will when these both will design. After designing this, it will look fine. So now focusing on right. Justify content. Space between. So here's the right. This is the right. We have written CSS for this section. Now we are focusing on input and right section. So write the codes. Justify content space between flex 0.29 and margin right 10 pixel. Align item center. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now dot input, focusing on class input. Okay. Not that input. Width 100%. Background color white. Flex 0.53. Border radius 5 pixel. And display flex. Flex is very important. Margin, top margin 0 and 10 pixel from right and left. Align items center. Overflow hidden, justify content. Overflow hidden, justify content, space between. Okay, control save. Let's check this out. Okay, how it is looking. This is taking saved as this one. You can see here. Okay, now we are here. Just write the codes. Input dot input. Now we are focusing input in input tag in input class. Outline none and width 80%. Font size 16 pixels. Font size 16 pixel and padding 10 pixel or 2 pixel. Border none. Now input dot. Now focusing on the search icon. Color is RGB 51 51 51 51 51 and 51, sorry, 51. Okay, padding 10 pixel and 15 pixel, font size 20 pixel, font size 20 pixel, cursor pointer. Okay, background color is FEVD69. Okay, now border radius 0, 5 pixel, and again 5 pixel and 0. Okay, now focusing on div in input class. Display flex, justify content, space between, align item center, border right, 1 pixel solid gray. Okay, background color is RGB 236 234 234, and padding 6 pixel and 0. Control save, Control R, and here it is our import section. Now dot input here this hand, and border radius 5 pixel 0 0 5 pixel, color RGB 515151. Okay, padding 6 pixel and 5 pixel. Now font size 20 pixel, cursor pointer, dot input. Now we are focusing on another icon, color RGB 5151. Okay, cursor pointer and padding 5 pixel. Control R, and here it is. In this video, we have designed Amazon logo, this section and this one section of import, and it is same as in the previous video. I forgot something, which is returns and order. I didn't create this section, so here it is missing. So now we will create first in HTML that div after this. So let's create it. Create a div with class name sign, and now create a span, returns, and another span, and orders. Okay, just this. Control save, Control R. Now it is here. Now we will design it. Dot line I, padding 0, margin 0, and padding color gray. Okay, now dot line right here, padding 5 pixels, so padding 5 pixels, and display flex, justify content space between, sorry for this. This should be center. Okay, line items, flex, and border 1 pixel, solid, transparent, and border radius 3 pixel. Dot right image, width 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, padding 4 pixel and margin 0, padding top 10 pixel, cursor pointer. Okay, now dot sign, display flex direction column. Okay, padding 3 pixel and 6 pixel, cursor pointer and border 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel solid transparent, border radius 3 pixel. Okay, now dot sign and first child, font weight 400 and font size 13 pixels. Okay. Now dot sign span display inline block with 100% and font weight bold. Okay. Dot flex dot AC span font size 15 pixel and margin right 5 pixel, font weight bold. Okay. Now dot swapping card font size 3 pixels, dot CA font size 40 pixels and font weight bold. Dot cart align items flex end position relative and padding 5 pixel 10 pixel. Okay. Now dot cart P position absolute font weight bolder, color hashtag 121 A22, top 7 pixel and left 23 pixel. Okay. Control save. Now refresh it, and here it is. Our Amazon clones header is ready now. Same as it is. Looking very good, very nice. So now we will add a hover effect on it, just like this one, border with white border. So let's start it. Dot cart hover and border 1 pixel, 1 pixel solid white, border radius 3 pixel. Now just copy and paste just to the over. Control C. Now right here dot logo image and Control V. Okay. Now again enter. Now write dot map. Control V. Just a easy way. Do only smart works, not hard work. Control V. Now dot sign. Control V and dot land. Control V. Dot input dot input dot FA search over background color should be FDA E46 and dot input div over background color must be RGB 204 202 202. Okay, and color black. Control save, refresh. Now our header is perfectly ready. This, and this one. So here's our code, and here's our CSS code. Now create a div, class name second. Okay. Second. Now create another div with class name second 1. Now create another div. Now take an icon, class name FA bars. So this is for the bar, and I span tag all. Now create another div with class name second 2. This is a subsection of second class, so unordered list. Okay. Now create five list items. So, okay. Now right here today's deal. And customer service. Registry. Gift cards. And sell. Now create another div with class name second 3. My mistake, second. Shit. Second 3. And I span shop Valentine's Day. Okay. Now save it. Control R, and here. So the HTML. Now we will design it by their CSS code. So let's write the CSS code here. Enter dot second width 100% and height 42 pixel. Background color hashtag 232 F3A. Okay. Now display flex. So display flex. And line item center, color white, overflow hidden. Okay. Control save, Control R. So here it is, and second UL, targeting UL tag in second class, line items center, list style none, display flex, justify content, flex star. Now second span font size 15 pixels. Control save, Control R. Okay, this is difficult to save. Okay. Now write second one include. Focusing on second one div, focusing on I tag in second one div. So write their font size 20 pixel and cursor pointer, border 1 pixel solid, transparent, border radius 3 pixel. Control C. Okay. Now dot second li padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Font size 15 pixel. Margin 7 pixel from top and left right 0. Cursor pointer, border box and all. Okay. Now focus on second one. Flex 0.06, display flex justify content center, and line items center. Control save, control hold. Now focus on second one, div, display flags, again, display flags, justify content, sorry, align item center, padding left, part pixel, control save, control dot, second, 2, display flags, flags 0.74, justify content, flag start, dot second, 3, flags 0.2, display flags, justify content, flags and margin right 20 pixels, overflow hidden. Dot second, 1 div, scan, 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Okay, control save. Now dot second, third, scan, ready, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. Sorry, this row is not straight. This is 3, and second one, this hand was just ready, 5 pixels and cursor pointer. Now control save, control R, and here it is done. But when hovering over it, this is showing border, but not in this. So let's write CSS code for it. Dot second one, over border 1 pixel, solid white. Okay. Control C, enter, dot second, li, control V, dot second, third, scan, control V, control save, control R, and here it is. It's moving. I don't know why it is moving. So this is moving. I don't know why. Let's check it out in our CSS code. So okay, the mistake is here. I have written div dot just second, third span, and here targeting on div. Control save. Now check this out. Now this is fine. Okay. It's not moving now. So now everything is fine, same as it is. Option here, and give it a class name sec1. In this, create a container class name, and in this container create a slider div with class name slider. Okay. Now in this, create a div with name image box. Okay. Now in this image box, create another div with class name slide. Okay. Now in this slide, add images. We will add here 4 images. So I will give you the link in the description. So these are the 4 photos images. So just copy and paste. Okay. Just Control C, Control V, V, and V. Now just change the source. So I will change it. So I have copied and pasted the links here. Let's check it in our HTML page. Just Control save and refresh. So here is the image, the 4 images. Okay, now we will design it. So let's write CSS code dot sec1 position relative width 100% and height 1190 pixels. So firstly, I want to tell you something, that this site is not responsive. So this is, if you this is not a responsive site. So if you resize it, the design will mess up, totally messed up. Slide image targeting images, width 1360 pixel and height 100%. Okay, now dot container position relative and width 100%, height auto. Okay, height auto. Now control save it. Let's check this out. Okay, so here it is. Now design the slider, width 100%, overflow hidden, and position relative, height 560 pixels. Now targeting image box, display flex, and the position absolute. Animation name is browser, 15-second, alternate, infinite. Okay, control save. Let's check this out. Control R. I refreshed it. Okay, so here it is. Nothing is showing up here, just a simple thing. So now we will add here an animation. Okay, now right at the rate, sorry for this, keyframes, identifier name browser. Okay, now at the 0% left 0, at the 10% left 0, sorry 0, and 20%. Okay, at 24% this should be left minus 1360 pixels. Okay, and at 42% left minus 1360 pixels. Sorry, this is my mistake. Okay, now at 46% left elk minus 1360 into 2 pixels. Okay, now just control C, paste it here and just change the percentage, 62%. Control V again, change it to the 66%, and here change it to 3. Control V again, change it to 82%, and here 3 pixels. Control V again, change it to 86%, and here 4. Control V, change to 100%, and control save. Let's check this out. Okay, yep, so it's working here. Okay, so here we have designed this section, this one section, this is empty. Why it is empty? We have to change some animation code, so let's just delete this last one. Okay, now change it to the 24, 42, 250 and 54. This is to the 80 and 84 and 100%. Control C. Now check this out. So here is our header. Just wrap it and wrap this one slider and also the container. In the container tag, create a dot container one div and write your dot data and a key tag here. Write this in that p. So just Control C, Control V. Now create a href with a dead link. Now copy and paste this. Click here. Oh, Control C, Control V. Okay. Now create another div with class name product COMP. Product COMP. Okay. Now create another div in it, class name box. In this box, create h3 giving accessories. Okay. Now create another div with class name box A. In this box A, create another div. Create another div and an image tag. So copy and paste image link. I will give you in the description. So Control V, and now create a span tag name headset. Okay, Control save. Now check this out, how it is looking. Control R. So here it is, the slider, totally messed up. But we'll just copy and paste this box div. Okay, so just copy this one div, headset, and images what. Control C for 4 times. V, 3, and 4. Control save. Control R. Okay. Now, so we are designing this section, giving accessories, and this one. So just let's write CSS code for this. Dot. So now we are focusing on container 1. Okay. Position absolute. Z index 1 and top say 230 pixel. Left 0. Width 100%. Width is 100%. Padding 20 pixels. Display flex. Flex direction. Column. And align item center. And also our most important thing, background. Background is to be linear gradient and to bottom transparent and ED 30%. Now save it. Check this out. So how this is looking. Something similar. Okay, now design it. Dot container 1 para dot para. Focusing on para. So background color RGB 238 234 234. Okay. Enter width 100%, text align center. Now focusing on dot container 1, div first child, font size 14 pixel and padding 12 pixel. Dot product comp width 100% and height 100%. Display flex box sizing border box, margin 1 pixel and 0 might be 0 and justify content space between. Now dot product comp dot box width 315 pixel and height 400 pixel. Background color. Okay, now dot box h3 margin top 20 pixel, margin left 20 pixel, font size 20 pixel, font size pixels, margin bottom 10 pixel and color RGB 434242. Okay, now dot box a font size 13 pixel and margin left 20 pixel. Display as block, padding top 30 pixel. Okay, now dot box div image width 167 pixel, height 120 pixel and the cursor pointer, margin left minus 20 pixel, margin right 0. Control save, Control R. Now here it is. Okay, how it is looking? Not looking good. So designing it. We design this. So dot box a div display inline block. So dot box a div span display block, font size 30 pixel and margin left 20 pixel. Now save it, Control R, and here it is. But this is not looking good. Let's check this out. So I think I've found the problem here. Now write the dot box a overflow hidden background color white. Okay, and change this to around, Control save, and in this p tag cut this and paste it here, Control save. Now check this out, Control R, and now copy and paste this section. So let's start it. So I have copied and pasted this section 4 times. Now let's check this out on the website. So here it is. This is looking like this, same as it is. Code. So this is a gaming series. This one div, this one box, and this third one, and fourth one. So this one box is for this one. Wait here. Look at this one, and code is for this one, and this one is for this one, and this is the last one for the last one. So now this is so first box is, we have already created this one box. So now create the second box, which is this one, sort by category. So let's change the image source and the heading. So here is the heading, just change it. Okay, sort by category, control save. Now check this out, control R. Okay, so sort by category. Now change the image source and this title headset. Okay, and also the images of this one. So open this one box and change the image source. So just change the image source. So I changed the image link, image source, both of the boxes. Let's check this out here. Control R. Here it is, the title and the images. And one thing that I missed in the previous video, which one is this see more, the anchor tag. So now, so this is not here. Okay, so let's create it in a div just after the box. An anchor tag. Okay, href hash dead link and see more. Okay, and another one down there, an anchor tag dead link shop now. Okay, now save it. And where is this? Okay, so this is box. Okay, so we should change the box size. So let's clean our code. So this is all fine here. So dot container one. Okay, so here put the p tag, targeting the p tag. Control save, and also control R for refresh. Okay, so now it's fine here. Now we have to create this one box, the third box. So open. So let's change this box. So wrap it, second box and the first box. Open the third box and remove all these things inside of it. Okay, just delete them. Now create a div with class name. Give it a class name of boxy. Okay, and now create a h3 with name Amazon Basics. Create a div, and the image source is just copy and paste the link I will give you in the description. So here is the link, Amazon Basics. So just Control C and paste it here. Control wait. Okay, so paste it here. Now create an anchor tag with that link. See more. Okay, Control save. Now focus on fourth box, this one. Open it and remove all these things. Okay. Now change the class name box B and write create a class name, create a div with class name best and h3. Now write sign in for the best experience, sign in for the best experience. Okay, now create a button. Okay, write there sign in securely, sign in securely. Now close this div, create another div, put an image here, just copy and paste the link I will give you in the description. So banner. Okay, where is the banner? Okay, Control C and Control V, Control save. Now check this out here. Okay, so here it is, this one image and this. Now let's write CSS code for this. So okay, now focusing on these two boxes, write the CSS code here. Create dot box. Okay, display flex and flex direction column. align item center, justify content space between. Okay, now dot box b dot best. Okay, focusing on this, background color white, height 130 pixel, and width 315 pixel. Now dot best h3. Okay, targeting s3 tag, font size 21 pixel, margin 20 pixel, and margin bottom 15 pixel. Okay, now dot best button, border radius 7 pixel, box shadow 1 pixel, 2 pixel, and 5 pixel, RGB 211-207-207. Okay, color RGB and 414141. So this one is fine. Background color is to be hashtag FF D814. Okay, now width 200 pixel, and margin left 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, and the border none. Okay, now focus on dot box C, dot box C, width, image, margin 0 and 20 pixel, width 275 pixel, and cursor pointer. Also the last thing, height 280 pixels. Now save it and check this out. So here it is, the same as it is. Width of button is different, so change the width. So let's change the width to the and change this. Control save, refresh, and here it is, the same as it is. So now we have to create these 4 boxes, but these 4 boxes are same as this one, Amazon Basics. So we will just copy and paste HTML of these codes. So let's just copy and paste it. Here it is. These are the 4 boxes and this. So create a div, name product.com. Okay. Now create a div, give it a class name, product.com. Okay. And now which one? This one box, third one. Just Control C and Control V, Control V, Control V, and the 4th time Control Save, Control R, and here it is, these 4 boxes. So just change the image source and the headings of this box, and this is all set. So I'm just changing it. So I just the source and heading of the image, just Control Save and check this out. So this is our project. Refresh it, and here it is. Here is the link. I will leave you in the description. So here is our section 1. So just wrap it, don't mess with them. So here is our header code and section 1 code. Now create another section. Okay, class name section 2, and now in this section to create a div with class name slide sec. Okay, now slide sec, create another div here with class name lbt with lptn. Okay, and in this create a I tag, give it a class name fa solid and fa chevron left. Okay, so this is the button which we are going to create. Now Control Control C, Control V, and change this left to right, and this L to R. Okay. Now after this, come on, create a H3 tag right there. Popular products in wirelessly internationally. Okay. Now create a UL tag and give it a class name product slide. Okay. Now create li tag and an image. Okay. So the source code, so the source link I will give you in the description. So just copy and paste, Control C, and paste it here. Okay. Control C. So just make copy of it, Control C, and paste it. How many images you want in that slide? So just copy and paste. I'm just copying and pasting. So I pasted here images with source link and li tag. So save it and check this out, how it is looking. Control R. Here it is. All the pictures are here. Now write CSS code to design it. Okay. On the CSS panel, here it is. Down there. Now start writing CSS code. Dot section 2. Focusing on section 2. Now width 100%. Height 315 pixels. Padding 25 pixels. And padding top 0. Padding bottom 25 pixels. Okay. Now dot slide sec h3 targeting h3, font size 20 pixels, and padding bottom 5 pixels. Now focusing the slide section right there with 100% and height also 100%, padding 20 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels and 20 pixels. Okay. Now overflow X is hidden. Okay. And background color white. Position relative. And now focusing on product slide. Okay. Flex. Margin top 5 pixel. And overflow X is scroll behavior smooth. Okay. Save it. Let's check this out here. Control R. So here it is. Now create the button. Now design the button. Which button tag? Okay. So now first product slide, wrap it, scroll bar, background color transparent, and height 7 pixel, cursor pointer, and product slide again, then wrap it, thumb, border radius 9 pixel. Okay, the 10 pixel, cursor pointer. Okay, now product slide, targeting li tag, list style none, and margin right 10 pixel, margin bottom 15 pixel, cursor pointer. now dot L button and dot R button, background color RGB 255 255 255 1. So this is white usually. Height 90 pixel and width 50 pixel. Width 50 pixels. Extra line center. Cursor. Pointer. Top 35%. And the position absolute. Position absolute. Border 3 pixel. Solid. Transparent. Okay. Now dot L button. Border radius 0 5 pixel 5 pixel 0 and your left 20 pixel. Dot R button. Border radius 5 pixel 0 0 5 pixel. Right 20 pixel. Okay. Scroll it up. Now dot L button over the border radius, border 3 pixel, solid RGB 2150 and 150. Okay. Control C. Control C. Dot R button. Control V. Now Control C. Focusing on the dot R button I and dot L button I. Okay, right there color RGB 545454. Enter. Oh, my mistake. Oh, baby. 545454. Okay. Now enter. Position absolute. Font size 30 pixel. Top 35% and left 13% and also right 13%. Control save. Control R. So here's the button. Why don't these are showing? Wait, maybe there's a technical error in my browser, so just put a I tag here and it will show here. Because of the technical error, I don't know why this is not showing here, so it will look like this. Save it as app.js. Okay. Now link it here down. Script app.js. Okay. Control save. Now write code here, so I'm just close this section, and so here I will write the JavaScript code. So first target the left button, first target the right button. So create targeting the right button. So write document dot query selector dot R button dot add event listener. Click and the function is function, got this parameter event. Okay, event, and now in this event target the document dot query selector and select the product slide, and in this product slide the function will work product slide dot. So we are going to scroll it. So scroll left plus is equal to 1100. Okay, now event dot prevent default. Okay, now save it. Wait, I think something is missing. No, everything is fine, so just save it and let's check out here. So this is our project. Okay, so nothing is here. Okay, now click on this button. It's not scrolling. Open the console log. When we are clicking on it, click. Let's change the file name. Wait, rename it. Create another JavaScript file. Control N. Control Shift S. Then apps.js. Change the name here. apps.js. Okay. Control save. Now write the code here. I copied that code, paste here, save. Now check here. It's still not working. Right there, add event listener, click product slider, everything is fine. After clicking on this, console.log, done. Means the file is not connected. Write the code again. So const left button equal to document dot query selector L button, Control C, Control V. Okay, change it to R. Right button, const. Now write the right button dot add event listener and wait. Click function write your event and now control log done. Okay. Now create another const name with consent is equal to current is equal to document dot query selector dot product slide, and here component dot scroll left plus is equal to 1100 event dot prevent default. Okay, control save. Now check this out. Okay, now it's working. Now paste it, Control C and paste it here and change this to left, and same function, just change it minus. Control save, control refresh. Okay, so both of these buttons are working perfectly. So here's the JavaScript code. So in this site, another section same as it is the above. So just what will we do? Just copy and paste it again. So wrap it, Control C and Control V. Okay, now add another class with it. So left button with class name is to be button 1B and Control C. down there, Control V, and change it to A. We are changing this, we are adding some classes here. So now add a product slide 1, Control save. Now because we did this, because now we have copy and pasted this section, just refresh it. So when we press on this button, it's not working because we have changed the classes. So just do, so here it is, just copy and paste and change the class name to button 1B for the left or right, 1B for the left. Okay. So now just change the image source. So change this image source. Just change these sources. Just check this out. Control R. Okay. So here it is. Now it's working. Let's open it. Now first create this section. For creating this section, we have to copy and paste the above code same as it is. This one not showing. This one code of this section. Let's do it. It's in section 1 product. Okay, so this is here. Just copy and paste. Now wrap it, enter, Control V, and here it is. Now change the class box to box C. Okay, div S3 and remove some items. Remove this one, all these items. Okay. Now create another S3. Give it a class name box C. Okay. Now create a S3 tag here. S3 tag. Now get back this. Okay. Control C. Control V. Now S3 and create a div. Image size source, so paste it here. These are the source. Control C, Control V, and also let's check this out. Save. Come on. So here it is. Okay, the see more is out of the box, so we have to resize this image. So write the style image, style, and image width 270 pixels, and height is to be 260 pixels. Okay, save and check this. Now this box. So now edit this section, this one. Okay, so back to the code, wrap it, and this is here the another box. Now add a class name to a box D class. Okay, and change heading to comfy style for man. Okay, now box A, these are same as it is. Menu, remove this main. Okay, Control save. Now write the CSS code for box D. Okay, box D, a anchor tag. So padding of 10 pixel. dot box image is to be width 147 pixel, height 110 pixel, and margin left 5 pixel, and save it. Dot box d div span margin bottom to d 2 pixel, margin right click, control save. Check this out. Comfy styles for men. Now change the image source and heading. So change it here. So just paste it here. Control V, save it. I will give you the link in the description, so don't worry. And here it is. Now change this one section. So change the heading and image sources. Just copy and paste this one, nothing else. So just Control C and Control V here. Okay, Control save, refresh. So here it is, and this one is same as the above, so we have to copy and paste the above code which we removed. So here it is, box C, Control C, and wrap it again and paste it here. Control V, Control save, refresh. Here it is. Now change the image source and heading. So let's change the image source and headings. Save it. Now check this out. Okay, so here it is, same as this. Now we have to create this one, so just copy and paste this section, wrap it, just wrap it and copy and paste. Section 2, Control C, wrap it again, Control save. So here it is, not working because we have to change the JavaScript code. We have to write different JavaScript code, means the same JavaScript code, but just change the class name in the JavaScript, just like we did in the previous video. We changed the just class name of this. So just follow that video and nothing else. Now check this out, this one section. So now create another here. Let's write the code here. Create a div with class name product comp. Okay, now open this. Now copy this one, box C. Okay, Control C. Now wrap it again in this. Control V. Second, third, fourth. Control save, and here it is. Out. So here it is. Now change the image source and heading. So let's change it. So I changed the heading and image source. I will give you a link in the description. So just save it, and check this out. Okay, so here it is. Now create again this section. So just copy and paste the second set code, this one. Control C and Control V. Just save it and check this out here. So here it is. Now change the image source and this heading. Change the image source and heading of these two sections. Let's change it. So I changed the image source and heading. You can see here, change the heading and image source, and the last sections, heading and image source I changed. Now save it and check it. Refresh. Okay, so here it is. It's done now. So these all are the projects, and image link is in the description, so you can get image source from there. And now our website is ready. but not perfectly ready. It's working properly and everything is fine here. Create a section, class name, footer. Now create a div with the class name backtop. This div is for our top to back to top button. Okay, so create a span tag, and write the back to top. Okay. Back to top. Now create a div, another div with class name details. So we will put details here, detail, and create another div with class name table. Okay. Now create a div in which we will create a div, another div with class name head. This is the heading, and what is the heading? So this is the heading, get to know us. So right there, get to know us. Okay. Now create a UL tag and create li tag. Wait, how many li tags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 li tag. 6. Now write the heading here. There it is. Control save. Control save. Control save. Now refresh it. Back to the get to know and all of this here. Now copy and paste this tab, this div. Okay. How many times? So check this. 1, 2, 3. So 3 more. Now copy and paste. Control C. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now save it. Check it out. Refresh. So here are these tag, and now create. Now write code for this. Okay. Create a div with class name line and another div with class name copy. Okay. Now create a span tag and write copy. Designed by MG Trivedi developer. Good. Okay. Save it. Now we have to design it. So write CSS code here. Okay. You can see that which section and which tag we are targeting. So first we are targeting photo class. Width 100% and height 490 pixel. Transition all 0.2 second. Okay. Dot back top text align center, height 50 pixel and background color hashtag 37475A. Okay, padding 16 pixel. Control save. Refresh. Okay, so it is. Dot backtop span color white and font weight bold. Dot backtop forward. So background color has for the 627C. Now cursor pointer. Okay. Dot detail background color hashtag 232 f3e and the height 350 pixels. Now dot table margin 0 or 15 pixel, 150 pixel, height 100%, and display flags. Justify content, space around, and padding top 50 pixel. Dot table div width 230 pixel. Dot t head font size 16 pixel and color white. Font weight bold, margin bottom 5 pixel. Dot table li color RGB 223 211 221 221. Okay, now padding top 10 pixel. Font weight lighter, font size 14 pixel, list style none. Okay, save it, refresh. Maybe there is something wrong. Okay. Remove this class before the boxes and the div. Control save, Control R. Nothing changed. So this div, this table div is ending here, this one. So it's not ending here. Control X and it at the end. Control V. Now Control save and check it out. Here it is. Now change the content of these boxes. So let's change this. So I change the content inside of it. Control save, refresh, and here it is. Now design this. Okay, so here it is. Now our website is totally done. For creating the section, we will write code above the header. So create a div with class name sidebar, because we are creating a sidebar, hidden sidebar. Okay, so sidebar is ready. Now create another div with the class name hidden head. Hidden head. Okay, now h2, write h2 hello sign in. Okay, now create another div with class name hidden content. Okay, hidden content, and the h3 is digital content and devices. Now create a UL tag, and in this UL tag create a div and create a li element. Write in it Amazon Music, and add a I tag with class name fa solid fa angle right. Okay, now save it. So the sidebar is this, all the above. This is our sidebar, and digital content and device, this is the h3 heading of the HDN content class, and this Amazon Music is that div list item and this icon. So now design it. Let's check this how it is looking here. So here it is, hello sign in digital content, but write the CSS code for this. So dot sidebar, okay, background color white, and width 300 pixel, weight 380 pixel, and height 100%, and transition all 0.5 second, height 100%, position absolute, z index 101. Okay, so here it is now. Now dot focus on HDN hidden head, background color has 232 f3e, height 60 pixel, and width 100%, color white, text align, center. Now dot hidden head, now focusing on h2, line height 60 pixel, dot HDN the icon is not showing here. Might be there is any technical issue, but the icon like this, but it's not showing here. So we are just focusing on what we are doing. So the technical issue, because of the technical issue, it's not showing. do same as div. So just copy and paste this item, div, Control C, v, free, full, wrap it, Control C, HTML content, Control C. Now so we have here 3 HD and content. Okay, now save it, refresh it. So here it is, but this line is missing, so create that line between them. So add a line here, create a div with class name, Control C, Control C. So here is the line, and this axle. So wrap this sidebar, create a alt tag with class name, fa solid fa x mark, Control save. There might be any technical issue, so the icons are not showing here. So guys, icons are not showing. I don't know why it's happening, just with some icons, but every icon is showing here. You can see here, this is Amazon Music, this is our div, and here is the icon. You can see, but this is not showing. I don't know why, but there is icon. If you put the icon, it will show here. So let's write this code. So we added this X mark, and now refresh it. It's not showing. So z index 101, Control save, or, and here is the icon, if you can see. So, and change the content of this. Firstly, let's finalize this sidebar, because it's not only looking like an Amazon site. You can see this hovering effect and that icon. So let's finalize it. Open it. Now write .fa angle white color RGB 27, 27, 27. Okay. Now enter dot hidden content ul div over, then background color RGB 230 and 227, 227. Okay, this is for hovering effect. Dot hidden content ul padding bottom 9 pixel. Okay, save it, and let's check this out. Control R. So here it is. Now it's working. You can scroll down this, but you can see that when we open this area got darkened, and this icon is showing here, and this area got darkened, but in this area is so bright and the icon is not showing. So for this we have to create another div down there, div with class name black. So okay, Control save, and right here CSS code for this. So dot black position absolute, and width 100%, height 100%, height 100%, background color is RGBA 0.7. Okay, now save it. Now save it and check this out here. Refresh. So here it is. It's a little bit darkened, but the height is not matching. So 7. Okay, so add the z index 100. Control save, and now it's done. Okay, it's done. But now it's still scrolling, but in this you can't scroll it. There's no scroll bar and you can't scroll down. But in this is happening. So we can do this with JavaScript. So let's start writing JavaScript code. So here is our JavaScript file. Now first we will write code for back to top button, which is in the footer. So write code for this. Write const back top is equal to document dot query selector dot back top. Enter. Now back top dot add event listener. Click, call a function, window dot scroll, window dot scroll. Where is that scroll? Scroll to top 0, and behavior it's move. Control save. Let's check this out. Let's check out this button. Click on it. Okay, so it's working. Now write code for this section. Now open it. Now create a sidebar. First sidebar. So const sidebar is equal to document dot query selector dot sidebar. Okay. Now copy and paste this. Control V for cross, and class name is xmark cross and wait, class name change to black. This is for black. Okay, and a side button. So create a side button for the class name. Second one, side button. Okay, enter. So your side button dot add event listener. On click, a function will run, and sidebar dot class list dot add active class, same as it is. Control C, write cross, Control V, enter, write black, Control V, and Control save. So for this we have to write CSS code right here. So we have to write CSS code. Let's write the CSS codes. For black, do the width 0 and dot black dot active width 100%. Okay. Now for the, and also the z index, nothing that important. wait, remove this G index, Control X, Control V. Okay. Now sidebar dot active. For active sidebar, translate X to 0. Okay. Now get to the sidebar and change where is the sidebar. Okay, so the sidebar, change the transition we have already added. So it's translate X minus 390 pixels. Okay, now control save and also add to the FAX mark. Add a property display, and then now dot FAX mark dot active display block. Control save. Now check it here, refresh. Got hidden. Let's check this out. Okay, so it's working, but closing is not working. So let's create again. Control C, Control V. Change this to remove. Control C. Control V, Control save, and check this out. Click on it. It's not working. It's not working because it didn't change the class name. Change this to cross. Okay, Control save. Now check this out. Come on. So check this out. It's here. Now click on it. Gone. Gone. But this is still scrolling. First, create a div with class name triangle, and now create another div with class name hidden sign. Okay, now create another div with class name hdn below, and create a div h3, write h3 and your lists, and now create a UL tag in this light tag, and write create a list. Okay, now create another div and Control Z with the class name hdn line, hidden line. Okay, now create another div with class name, no any class name, just create a div and write there h3 your account, and now create a UL tag and create list items, write there account. Okay, I created these lists and Control save this. Let's check this out here. It's not showing anywhere. So now write the CSS code for this. Start writing dot triangle, targeting the triangle. Okay, triangle, position absolute, z index 101, and write 188 pixel, top 42 pixel, background color. So I'm just writing it fastly. So here this is, you can see the code because we will write JavaScript, so just doing it fast. Okay, now width and everything display, none, remove this. Control save, Control R for refresh. So here is this is our list, and this is here our triangle. This is our triangle. So let's write the CSS code for design. So dot hdn sign and write position absolute. Oh, mask position name. position absolute and z index 101, transition all to set width 500 pixel, height 350 pixel, top 65 pixel, and right 80 pixels, background color white, and border radius 5 pixels. Save, refresh, and here it is. So you can see this triangle is here, but in this triangle is here, so we have to change the location of the triangle. So 42 pixels, sorry. Refresh, and now it is at his position. Okay, so here it is. Now design this. So let's write the CSS code. Dot hdn table display flags, justify content, space between, and the story space around, and padding 20 pixel and 0. Now dot hdn table h3 font size 16 pixel, padding 10 pixel 0. Dot hdn table li color RGB 84. Okay, now font size 13 pixel and padding 5 pixel 0 cursor point. Okay, dot hdn line width 0.5 pixel, color black. Okay, background color RGB 190. Height 300 pixel. Control save. Okay, now check this out. So here it is. Now write JavaScript code. So open our script and write the JavaScript code. So create a const. Const is equal to sign document query selector dot ac. Control C, Control V, again Control V. Now change the class to triangle, change this to tree, and change this to sign in. Change the class to hdn sign. Okay. Now add event listener to the sign dot add event listener. Click. Now black dot class list dot toggle with active one. Control C. Now sign in. Control V. Control C. And for sign in now free. Control V. Okay. Save it. There will be no change because we have to write the JavaScript or CSS code for this. So check this out. Where is the HDN sign? So right there. Display none. Okay. And free display none. Okay. Black. So add the black dot active one. Now write the active one. So top 70 pixel down and width 100%. Okay. Now dot hdn sign with dot triangle dot active display display block dot triangle dot active display block. Control save. Now check this out. Okay, it's in here. Now again change the z-index to 199. Okay, control save. Refresh. Now here it is. Now create another class dot stop. I'm creating. So here is this class, and now right here document body dot class list dot add stop scroll. Paste here stop scroll, and now get back to the website, refresh it. Now scrolling is stopped, it's not scrolling. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel.